On this episode of Doorbell Mania.
It's outside. I was just wondering if you got some water. I don't want to leave it outside your front porch. It is.
I was with some friends and I got robbed from my car. They set me up.
No.
Something. I don't know. Here, right here. Got to climb up there. All right, come on. Come right here. Come on. Oh, come on. Yeah, need something?
Sir, put my package back, please. Can you please put my... I'm calling the cops right now.
Liverpool, United Kingdom.
Hello?
Hello, look. My dog's just had like a slop outside. I was just wondering if you got some water. I don't want to leave it outside your front porch. It is.
I'm 5 minutes away from home. Don't worry, I'll clean it.
Just, like, you sure? I feel terrible. You know what I mean?
No, it's alright.
He just had a proper sloppy and I can't even pick it up with a poo bag. Know what I mean?
Don't worry, I'll clean it when I get in.
Thank you very much once again. I'm sorry about that. I hate doing stuff like that. That's why I knocked on.
Go on, I'll see you later.
Ta-ra. Ta-ra.
San Francisco, California. A woman approaches the homeowner's door. What appears to look like she works for Amazon. But Amazon don't dress like that. They wear blue, and even if she was a third-party independent contractor, they still wouldn't look this dusty. She's holding a smaller package in her hand. Looks like she's trying to do the old switcheroo. Look, to avoid frauds and scams like this, if you're getting an Amazon package, use an Amazon hub locker to avoid goofies like this. Bronx, New York. This man's supposed to be the custodian of this apartment building, but instead of him mopping and sweeping floors, he's cleaning up on tenants' packages. Look out for creeps like this. Alert the landlord and the police. Columbus, Ohio. A truck has collided onto the sidewalk and landed on a child. Thankfully, the people in the neighborhood galvanized and helped lift the car off the unfortunate toddler. The child escaped with minor injuries. A clear example of the community coming together for a positive cause. San Jose, California. A man approaches the homeowner's door and is pleading for help. Nowadays, you really can't trust strangers, so the best thing you could do is just say no and mind your business.
Answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hi, hello. I need help. I just got robbed from my car. Excuse me, can I borrow your phone, please? I swear, I just got robbed from my car by some guys.
No, nobody.
I'm not trying to hurt you. I just need a phone number to call my parents so I could get picked up because
No.
I was with some friends and I got robbed from my car. They set me up.
No.
Or can you please call the number for me?
No,
I'll give you the number
no.
you can call them. Alright. 911 for me? Excuse me?
No.
Omaha, Nebraska. According to the tenant that owns this Ring camera, she says this is the second time this has happened. What's going on here?
Bro! Hey, come up there. George, hold on, come on. Mom, come open the door, bro. It's cold. Bro.
shares that this young man in the red coat has been locked out of his house, and he's banging loud, using all type of belligerent language to get inside. Imagine this. You're trying to get some sleep. You gotta get up in the morning to be bombarded with these type of noises. Ugh.
Bro, I'm gonna kick this thing, bro. My dead homies, bro. It's too cold. Calm down.
Stop, bro. You have to get kicked out of the apartment.
I don't care, bro. You wanna be funny, bro?
There's a ring killer right there.
I'm like, god damn. Open the door. Bro, it is too. Stop, bro. Stop.
Oh, God, bro. Don't do it.
It's too fucking cold for this, bro.
We're not getting kicked out.
It is too cold.
We are not getting kicked out. Stop your damn problem.
Dumbass.
I'm not going to.
You got to get on the balcony, but that's the only one that's open. Nigga, no, it's not. It's not unlocked.
I unlocked it, bro. She didn't lock it.
Y'all want to do it right now?
How we gonna get up there, though?
I know, but nigga, we're going to have to do some Spider-Man or something. I don't know.
Here, right here. You have to climb up there. Come on.
No, because it's going to break.
No, I'm gonna pick you up with your hand, your feet.
All right, come on.
Come right here. Come on.
Oh, come on. That hurt. Hold up. Grab my other foot, Judy. Judy, come on. Hurry up.
I locked the door.
Oh, are you sure you unlocked it?
Yeah, Drew unlocked it.
Is this door here, right?
Yeah. Try the window. Lisa, try the window.
Hold on. Keep knocking. All right. Come on, piles in the car, bro. Bro, cold, bro. My day home.
Oh my God.
My hood, bro.
If you do it again,
Open the door, bro. It's too cold. My day home. Bro, I'm already mad. No, I'm already mad. Come open the door. It's so cold, bro. God. Open the door. My hood is cold. Ugh. I swear to God, I hate people. Bro. Wait, what?
we had the wrong.
You won.
No, God, we was at the wrong.
Oh, you tweaking, huh? Are you sure it's hard?
Columbus, Ohio.
Put it back.
caught somebody on my Ring camera stealing a package from my door.
You're kidding me.
No. It was my daughter's stuff. I hate people. He slid because he seen the camera. He's on the side of the camera covering his face. And you see him grabbing it and running. That's why I said put it back. And then he looked like he threw it somewhere.
Where did you throw it?
I don't know. It don't show it that far on the camera.
San Jose, California. A woman approaches the homeowner's door, looking real suspect. She claims she was attacked. Who knows? She might be telling the truth. She might be trying to set the homeowner up. Who knows? It's late. Best thing you should do is just mind your business. Perhaps even call the police. I don't have all the answers. Let's just watch.
I've been attacked. 3025 to the road.
Harlem, New York City.
Yeah, need something?
San Jose, California. Omaha, Nebraska. A man approaches this woman's door and actually opens it and attempts to open the second door to no avail, then starts talking about paintings.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just going to leave some paintings. I was going to leave some paintings on your porch. I wanted to give you some paintings. I'm going to leave it right outside your door. I wanted to leave you some paintings.
Okay.
Because I know the last time I showed it. Huh?
I couldn't hear you.
I got some paintings. Did you want some?
You have some.
I got some paintings I'm going to leave on the porch. Okay.
Syracuse, New York. Here's another example of a man trying to use his friendliness to get inside or to check out your backyard. Watch out for creeps like this.
Hello, record me. Get the back door. Get the back door.
Why are you in my backyard? What do you need for my backyard?
What?
Why are you in my backyard?
I wasn't in your backyard, but your back door. And your neighbor across the street sent me over. I was up cleaning out their gutter, and I noticed your gutter. Your neighbor sent me over from yesterday.
Okay. The one across from me?
Not the yellow house, the one right behind him.
Okay. Yeah, I don't need any assistance with that. If you can get out of my backyard, I would appreciate it.
No problem, thank you.
Yep.
Colorado Springs, Colorado. This homeowner peeps what's going on and calls it like he sees it. Salute.
it don't open.
Sorry, wrong yard.
Get out of here.
Wrong yard.
Yeah, it's cool. Just go.
There's people out there.
All right.
Sorry.
Yep.
Wait, can you make sure he's not out there?
Go.
I'm not going out there.
Get off my property. Now, or I will come out.
San Francisco.
Yeah, that's right. Are you gonna answer? No. Why?
This homeless man was able to get inside this apartment building.
Did you just deal with it?
And goes directly just to this tenant's location.
Hello?
Never trust anyone ringing your doorbell wearing rubber latex gloves. That's questionable. Respectfully.
Should I leave? No, I'll leave it in. Why didn't you open it? Did you hear Sam? No, I'm just looking at it. Why? That's weird.
What's weird is you ringing doorbells of strangers, drinking a big gulp wearing latex gloves, real late at night. Kick rocks.
Hello? John? It's Joe. Are you here? Open up, please. I can talk to you. Hello? Sorry we separated the other day. Can you let me in? Or can you come out? It's Joe. I was in the area and I thought I'd come by. Thought you'd be up at Saturday night. Okay. Can I open the door? No. Okay, see you later. Thanks for letting me in.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. And until next time, be safe and have a good one.
Sir, put my package back